Namaste and welcome back to AuraShift. Today I want to talk to you about these awesome chakra stones I got, a little bit about chakras themselves, and how I use the chakra stones. If that sounds good, stay tuned. So before we get started, I just want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and remember the notification bell alerts you every time I upload a video. So chakras are places in the body where there is a concentration of energy. You can think about it like roads or streets where there is a flow of traffic, and then a place like an intersection where there is a higher concentration of traffic. Energy is constantly flowing in and around the body. Chakras are where there is a concentrated flow of energy. So just like in traffic, if you have a traffic jam or gridlock or congestion, the flow of traffic is obstructed. And that's true for the energy flowing through your body as well. If we are feeling less than our best self, there is a good chance that one or more of your chakras is flowing slowly or obstructed. So the word chakra is Sanskrit for circle, and we have 7 major circles of energy or chakras on the body. Each chakra has a corresponding color, crystal, sound, yogic position, aroma, and sacred symbol. So now I want to show you the crystals. Here they are. They are tiny little cutie booty. I love them. The stones that come in the set are red jasper, amethyst, blue aventurine, yellow aventurine, green aventurine, lapis lazuli, and orange calcite. There are little imperfections in the crystals. One of them in my set is a little smaller than the others, but none of that really matters to me. I love them anyway. I like the imperfections. You can see I dropped my amethyst and chipped the apex because I'm a little clumsy, but it didn't come that way. I love that they are pyramids. This sacred pyramid shape was used extensively in Kemet, or Egypt as you might know it, and pyramids are known for amplifying and focusing energy and magnifying your manifestation power. The shape also enhances the healing powers of the crystal that it's in, and the shape, that apex, directs negative energies and blockages away and out of the chakras. So it's a perfect shape for a chakra stone. And if that were enough, each stone, each crystal has the sacred symbol, there you go, engraved on the bottom of it.
Now let's talk a little bit about each chakra, its symbol, name, the color, and its characteristics. The first chakra, known as the root chakra or Muladhara chakra, is situated at the base of the spine or tailbone, is red, and deals with the basic survival needs, physical, emotional needs, fear, and belief systems. The second chakra, the sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra, is located in the abdomen. It vibrates to the color orange and deals with sexuality, desire, creation, enjoyment, feeling, and expression of emotions. The third is the solar plexus chakra, or Manipura chakra. It's between the rib cage and the navel. It's yellow, and it is an energy powerhouse. Our ego is stored here along with self-esteem, self-confidence, personal power, gut feelings, and self-expression. The fourth, heart chakra, or Anahata chakra, is located in the middle of the chest over the heart area. Its colors are green, pink, and gold, and this chakra rules love, healing, compassion, and our relationship with ourselves. The fifth chakra is the throat chakra, also known as the Vishuddha chakra. It's located in the throat, and it resonates with the color blue. It deals with truth, wisdom, responsibility, language, communication, sound, and the ability to hear or speak to spirit guides. The sixth chakra is the third eye, or the Ajna chakra. It's located over the brow or forehead area. The color is purple, deep blue, or indigo. And this chakra relates to visions, insight, clarity, and inspiration. The seventh chakra, or Sahasrara chakra, is located over the top of the head. The color is white, clear, gold, or violet. It is the psychic center where spiritual knowing and guidance is received. It is our connection to the divine, universal energy, divine inspiration, and spiritual awakening.
To balance your chakras using these chakra stones is a very easy process. You're gonna give yourself some time. Lay down on your back and relax. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to settle. Once you feel ready, you're going to place the chakra stones, starting at the root and working up to your crown, on top of your body. For the root chakra, you can place a crystal on your pelvic bone, or you can place it between your legs on the bed. And then for the crown chakra, that can go above your head on the bed. Then you're just gonna let the crystals do their work. Lay there for, I'd say, no less than 10 minutes, breathing deeply and relaxing. You don't really need to do anything else. Allow the crystals to do their work. You may like to visualize your chakras spinning and opening, but none of that is necessary. The crystals will still do the work even if you don't visualize. And I would like to say you should rinse your crystals before and after this process in a little bit of cool water, just briefly, to remove and kind of neutralize any energy that they may have accumulated on their way to you or in between the time that you last used them. And that is it. Repeat as often as necessary. If you have a very serious blockage, you may need to do this several times before you notice that moved out of your way. Anyway, I hope this was really helpful. And if you love these little chakra stones, the link is below. Click on it and get your own. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and namaste.